Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 26th day, and you know what that means. It's time to work on our lower body. If this is your first time visiting the Trongyan Workout channel, this is a 90-day home workout video series designed for beginners. You can start anywhere, and you don't need any equipment. If the intensity of this workout video is too much for you, please choose another video that suits your fitness level. Today's home workout will focus on 3 bodyweight exercises that target the lower body: squats, squat holds, and lunges. Squats are a compound exercise that works the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointing slightly outward. Lower your body down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Squat holds are a great way to isometrically strengthen the muscles of the lower body. To do a squat hold, simply lower yourself into a squat position and hold. Lunges are another compound exercise that works the lower body. To do a lunge, stand with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with one leg and lower your body down until both knees are at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. That's it for today's workout. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.